In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Xero error message that says account must be valid. This is a common issue when creating invoices or bills, and it can be frustrating if you're not sure what's causing it. The good news is that in most cases, it's a quick fix. I'll walk you step by step through the most common causes and how to solve them so you can get back to sending invoices or processing bills without errors. If this video helps you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple Xero tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to check is what I call the empty box check. This error often appears when an account code is missing, incorrect, or no longer active on an invoice or bill. So start by logging into Xero and going to the top menu. Click on Business, then choose Invoices. If you're working with supplier bills instead, click on Bills to Pay. Open the invoice or bill that's triggering the error message. Once it's open, scroll down to the Line Items section. Here, you'll see a column for the account. This is where the account code is assigned. For example, something like 200 sales. Make sure this field is not empty. If it's blank, that alone can trigger the account must be valid error. If there is an account selected, double-check that it's the correct one. Sometimes the account may have been changed, deleted, or restricted. Try removing the account and reselecting it from the drop-down list. Then save or approve the invoice again to see if the error clears. If the issue still isn't resolved, the next step is to check whether the account has been archived. This is another very common reason for this error message. To do this, go to the top menu and click on Accounting, then select Chart of Accounts. Once you're inside the Chart of Accounts screen, look for the Archived tab. Click on that tab to see if the account code used on your invoice has been archived. If you find the account there, that means it's no longer active, and Xero won't allow you to use it on new transactions. To fix this, simply restore the account. After restoring it, go back to your invoice or bill, refresh the page if needed, and try saving or approving it again. In most cases, that will immediately fix the account must be valid error. Now there's one more thing you should check, especially if you're using third-party apps that sync with Xero, like inventory systems or e-commerce platforms. Sometimes the error is caused by a sync issue, where the external app is trying to push a transaction using an account code that no longer exists or has been archived. If you suspect this, review the account mapping settings inside the connected app. Make sure the account codes there match active accounts inside your Xero chart of accounts. You can also check Xero's bank feeds or sync logs for any related error messages. Correcting the mapping in the external app and then resyncing usually resolves the issue. So to quickly recap, first check the invoice or bill for an empty or incorrect account field. Second, go to Accounting and review the chart of accounts to see if the account has been archived and restored if necessary. And third, check for sync errors from any connected apps and confirm your account mappings are correct. That's it. Those are the most common and effective ways to fix the Xero error message that says account must be valid. Once you go through these steps, you should be able to save and approve your transactions without any issues. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Xero troubleshooting guides and accounting software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.